Today's video comes from the Detroit Marriott Hotel in Southfield, Michigan. Innovation fixtures. Look at that panel. Got fire service, buzzer reset, and emergency power. This is interesting. £3,500 capacity. These are fast. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good night. Once that one goes. All right, that was perfect timing. Let's go to 6. Only shows so much because there is a part on here that is reflective. There's the map right there. And this has got a service call button. All right, let's go back down. We're stopping on 3. Okay, there's no one here. That's where the old indicator used to be. The serial number and capacity, which this one is 3,000 pounds. And that will be it.